Look at me, I'm so red. Red, red, red. But it's my outfit. I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. I finished everything planted. I will show it to you. Okay? I will show it. Okay. Guys, so I'm getting ready to do my gardening. And I need to put something here to protect my skin, my arms. It might not be that effective. I did not put sunscreen because I don't know. I just don't. It feels icky for me. Icky. So this is what I use instead. I want to buy something here in the. Maybe there's some in the Academy store. But this one I bought this from Daiso. It's kind of very cheap. But this is what I'm gonna use. That's okay because most of the time it's covered. And I am going to put on some gloves because I don't want, well, because I can. And it's different when you're painting. When you're painting, you can put gloves. I don't know, maybe you can. But I won't in terms of the oil. I won't with the acrylic, but with the oil painting, I don't have to. So, here I am, getting ready. Here. So I'm watering the plants well before I plant it. That's what the gardener instructed me and my brother-in-law. And I'm making the soil good. And this is another kind of peppermint. They call pineapple peppermint, and it really do taste like pineapple. So I'm gonna do it here. Water it with no gloves. Done for the day. So I'm gonna drink my cold water. Just a sip. Okay, thank you for watching.